Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to do a little update on our single seed challenge. Okay, we're out in the greenhouse and that's where we planted our single seed challenge. Now we do have two here. This is number one and this is number two. Now number two is taking over and going ahead and springing up and going on its way. I don't know what happened, but both of these were kind of the same. It took and it's made some curly limbs coming off, but then they start coming out. But what we're going to do here today, we're just going to take a look and see what's on here. Look right there. We have a tomato there, and we have one just around on the other side over here. It's got another tomato right there, which got plenty of blossoms. And for those that you don't know, and you probably heard me this a lot of times, just take and you can thump these flowers, you can kind of fondle around. Now I'm going to say if you're going to rub around on them like that, don't do two varieties, especially if you're planning to do seeds, because and you can still spread pollen otherwise. As far as just shaking them, you could get pollen on your hand too. So if you're going to save seeds, you'll want to make sure that whichever ones you're saving seeds on, make sure if you're going to hand pollinate like that, do that first. But anyway, that's where we're sitting. We're getting just a little bit over 3 foot tall on these. They're not the biggest in here. Down at the other end, my yellow pear and my black cherry are getting quite a bit bigger. In fact, a lot of these are getting bigger. And that isn't the biggest tomatoes. I've actually got a black Krim here it has a bigger tomato. It's not gigantic by any means, but you know, that's telling me that it won't be long I'll have some tomatoes to eat. And that's what it's all about. The black cherry, which there's some right here, a few cherry tomatoes. There's a few more hiding down here at the bottom, right there. And that's the first year for me planting that black cherry. And this is the yellow pear, which I thought was a black cherry, and you can see it's just prolific as far as it's got a bunch there. Anyway, for those of you that don't know about the single seed challenge, we're going to explain it to you. What it is you take one seed. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be a cucumber, it can be a lettuce seed, carrot, tomato, squash, anything, peppers. You take that one seed and you plant it, but you take and document its life through the whole process. From the time you plant the seed, pick out your seed and plant the seed, on until it finally ends its cycle at the end of the year. And what you do is you put a hashtag down there in the description, Single Seed Challenge 2021. This is something that Scott had on the Black Gumbo channel, had started this year. Of course he did it last year too, but there's a lot of people that are involved in it. If you hit that hashtag, it'll take you to those YouTube videos, and you can watch some of the others and how they're growing. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this update. As always, subscribe, hit that bell button, give it a thumbs up, and share this video. Happy gardening.